The Redarc Electronics is an advanced manufacturer based in South Australia. We employ 180 people and our speciality is power conversion systems.
Redarc's strategy for the past 5 years is to head towards Industry 4.0 and a digitalisation of our design capability, which includes investment in Industry 4.0 capable equipment and then processes that back that equipment and tie in with digitalised virtual manufacturing.
What sets Redarc apart is we build really high quality products and we control that quality here as an SME in South Australia, and our supply networks are really strong. Secondly, we have integrated design, so we're able to take a customer's idea, our own ideas, and transform them into finished products and solutions for particular applications. And lastly, we're unique as an SME in that we are globally competitive through our continuous improvement processes that's inbuilt from the moment we touch a customer right through that design, prototyping, manufacturing, packaging, distribution and after-sales service. We're actually able to exceed our customers' expectations. A key part of Redarc's corporate strategy, a building block of that, is Industry 4.0. And Digitization is a critical element of Industry 4.0. And that's where we see this Dassault Digital Shipyard program integrating really nicely with our strategy.
Redarc is well recognised in the defence industry in Australia now for our quality systems and our manufacturing processes. Participation in the program will allow us to engage with the international defence primes at the supplier and at the documentation level in a smooth and fluent fashion.